In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check from a prior year in QuickBooks. Whether you're rectifying an error or managing your books efficiently, performing this task correctly ensures your financial records remain accurate. Let's dive in. First, we need to start by signing into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to your browser and go to the QuickBooks login page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on it, and when prompted, choose QuickBooks Online to proceed. If you typically use another version of QuickBooks, make sure you switch to QuickBooks Online, as the steps we're covering today are specific to this version. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password carefully, and when you're ready, click Continue. It's essential to ensure your login details are entered correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you're logged into your account, your next step is to go to the settings. You'll find the settings option usually depicted as a gear icon, which is located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on it to reveal more options. It opens up a myriad of functionalities you'll want to explore later, but for now, let's focus on voiding that check from last year. In the settings menu, click on All Lists. This will show you various lists available within your QuickBooks account, which helps manage different segments of your finances. Next, look for the payment methods from the listed options and click on it. Now that you're in the payment methods section, locate the option labeled check. Once you find it, click on it to work with check-related transactions. Our goal here is to run a specific report to identify the check you intend to void. So, click on the Run Report option to generate a detailed overview of your past check transactions. In the report, you'll see various details, including dates and amounts. Locate the check by the date of issuance. Click on the associated date to open the transaction details. Scrolling to the bottom of the transaction details, you'll see an option labeled More. Click on More to access further actions. After clicking More, you'll see an option to void the check. Selecting this option will initiate the voiding process. QuickBooks will ensure that you're aware of the action you're about to take and its potential repercussions on your financial data. If you're sure you want to void the check, then proceed. To confirm, click Yes, and that's it. You've successfully voided a check from a prior year. This process not only helps in keeping your books accurate, but also streamlines past financial transactions with ease. Remember, voiding checks may impact your financial reports, so ensure you're making these changes with consideration of how it aligns with your financial management strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.